If you no longer need LDPlayer or want to fix serious errors by doing a clean reinstall, uninstalling it completely from your Windows PC is the best option. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to uninstall LDPlayer completely from Windows step by step in 2026. First, close LDPlayer completely. Make sure it is not running in the background. Open Task Manager and end any LDPlayer related processes if needed. Next, open the Windows Control Panel or Settings app. Go to *apps and then open Installed Apps * or Apps and Features *. Now scroll through the list and find *LDPlayer*. Click on it and select *uninstall***. Follow the on-screen instructions to remove the main program. After uninstalling, restart your computer to ensure all running services are stopped properly. Now you need to remove leftover files. Open File Explorer and go to the installation directory where LDPlayer was installed. Delete any remaining LDPlayer folders. Next, check common locations like *program files, app data *, and downloads to remove any leftover emulator data or cache files. You should also clean registry entries using a trusted tool or carefully remove LDPlayer-related entries if you are experienced. This helps remove hidden configuration files. If you installed multiple LDPlayer instances, make sure to delete each one separately. Finally, empty your recycle bin to permanently remove all leftover files from your system. After this, LDPlayer will be completely removed from your Windows PC, and you can reinstall a fresh version if needed. And that's how to uninstall LDPlayer completely from Windows. Yeah, doing a full cleanup helps fix bugs, free up space, and prepare your system for a clean reinstall. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.